Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on my all-time favorite dry shampoo, which is Death Valley by R+CO. I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how I do it in my hair for second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. So let's get into this video. So what you're going to do is you're going to literally just spray the Death Valley dry shampoo all over your roots. I have very dark roots, and as you can see, there's no white residue at all, which is amazing. And I like to do it around my entire hairline. I don't really focus on the back too much because I like my hair a little bit more messy, but if you like your hair a little bit more polished, you can definitely focus on the back a little bit more. But I do section my hair and go into every which way I can possibly part my hair and make sure I spray my Death Valley. Then after that, I like to go in and brush through my hair. If you guys want more of a polished look, I would definitely recommend getting the foil spray from R+CO and just take a brush like this and just kind of more polish it through, just kind of brush right through and polish it. I didn't want it that way. I wanted it more of a messy look, as you guys can see. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.